It's closet clean out time. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing a little closet clean out. I feel like this is due since, you know, spring is here. We have the whole spring clean vibes. We want to get into this new season of spring and summer feeling good, feeling fresh, feeling like the stuff that's in our wardrobe is stuff we actually want to wear. And so in order for that to happen, a little closet clean out is due. This is my closet that is right behind me here. All of these doors are filled with clothes except for the last one. Don't ask me why, I literally have no idea. And I have another little cupboard just under my TV where I keep a few clothes too. Right now, what's in behind these doors and stuff is my fall winter wardrobe, I would say, because I put away my summer clothes right up there. Now, I'm not the tallest person, so this isn't like the easiest thing for me to reach, and I'm not supposed to be reaching for it until now that it's getting warmer and sunny outside. So instead of having to reach for that and grab one or two things every time, it is time to take this down and switch it out with some winter pieces that I will not be needing to wear anymore. Before we get right into it, I just wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that, because I know that 90% of people that watch my videos don't subscribe. And it's just a little button. It helps me grow my channel. Click that little button and let's get right into this closet clean out. Okay, I'm thinking a good idea is to take down these boxes. And I just have random skirts laying around here too that I'm so excited to wear again. This box is filled with dresses, and I can say already there's some things that I'm seeing here that I'm like not going to be wanting to wear that this summer or any summer after that. So I think we're going to be needing to get rid of some stuff today. Oh. Do I even have an idea of how I really want to do these things? No. I think I'm going to go through the summer stuff first to see what I'm keeping already. And then we need to figure out where we can put that stuff. This may not be my best angle, but this is probably the easiest way for me to do anything. So we're gonna open up the dresses first. And I thought I could like go through some of the items that I love and I know that I recommend for summer. First of all, this is a dress that I got for my graduation. And I graduated last year already. Time flies. I graduated almost a year ago. That's crazy. But it's a beautiful dress from Mango. It's backless. Very cute. I have to keep this. This, I don't think I want to keep it. First of all, it's from Shein. I just don't really wear this sort of stuff anymore. We're gonna yeet that one. Keep. This dress, I got it for a specific party, but it didn't arrive in time, so I never wore it. I don't know, it's kind of cool now that I'm looking at it. But like, when would I wear this? You know? Should I wear this with like a jumper? So you just see this as the skirt part with the little frills popping out? I feel like that could be a vibe. Keep. This is a jumpsuit. Super comfy, but not that cute. This dress, it's cute, but it's orange. No, I think I'll keep that. This is a random silk dress. Great for lots of occasions. Keep. This is a set that I got made when I was in Vietnam, which was so cool. A lot of people that travel to Vietnam go and get their clothes made because like you can ask the tailors there to make you whatever clothes you want and they will be ready within like a day or two. They're so fast, it's crazy. So it's kind of like a little souvenir from there. I feel like a red skirt could be pretty cool for this summer. And then I have the matching top too. It's also like a wrap top. Very cool. If you ever go to Vietnam or you're thinking of traveling there, definitely go get some clothes made. It's a cool experience. Okay, why does this still have the tag on it? Exposed. Now I have to figure out a way to wear that. We have some random basic dresses. I'm keeping way too many dresses. I never wear dresses, Natasha. What are you doing? This green one, no. The fact that I've thrown away just green stuff low-key is a little bit funny. I don't really see myself wearing these things. No, I'm gonna give that away. I don't know, I might like donate these things, but I might also keep them because I have decided to learn a new hobby, which is sewing. So I could keep some of these for the fabrics to make something else. Denim dress we're absolutely keeping. I think I kept way too much. Okay, caps, I really don't have that many, so I'm just gonna keep them. This is fun because here we have lots of bikinis and tank tops, and I love that stuff, so I think a lot of things will be staying. Like, okay, I'm seeing another tag. It's so pretty though. It's a swimsuit that I actually received from a brand called Berlook. This is the brand, and they have really cool stuff. And I think this would like this. I will find a purpose to wear because it's so pretty. Some black bikinis is always useful, always in need, and a black like swimsuit, also a basic. This, if I remember correctly, yeah, this is like a period swimsuit, a brand where you can wear this when you're swimming and you're on your period, and it's supposed to like excuse me, yeah, you don't need to wear like a tampon or anything. It's kind of cool. More black swimsuits. I love this gray swimsuit. It's from H&M, also like just a really regular triangular swimsuit. At one point I went to like a market when I was in Italy, and I got so many cute swim like pants, underwear, like these green turquoise ones, and they have a little butterfly thing on the side. How adorable. And I also got these ones that are such a cool color, and they have little like pom-poms on the side. And oh, and I also got like just, okay, these are like really just regular, but purple, cute. These bikinis, they're the exact same ones. They're both from Shein, and honestly the top just never fits good, so I need to get rid of them. But low-key I might keep the bottoms because the bottoms are nice. Or I really like the color, especially of the pink one. They're like so summery though. Wait, but the top is like so doesn't cover anything, but it's so cute. Wait, this was a hard decision. These I'm getting rid of because I know that they're too small, and I have the exact same pair in green, so I'll just keep that instead. Oh, this is also from a market in Italy with a little green detail, so cute. And I love that it has this green detail because then I can wear it with this top if I want to. Or I have this top, which I actually bought in Arket, which also goes well with the pink. It's not the exact same pink, but it works pretty well together. I still haven't made my mind up about these. No, I have to get rid of them. Bye! Got some swimming goggles and a little cap. Okay. This tank top, oh my gosh, I have missed it so much. I can't wait to wear this. I thrifted it online, but it's originally from a brand called Nelly, which is a Swedish brand. This one right here. I can try and link it for you. And I don't know, this top is so cute when it's on, and last time I wore it I had like the best tan ever too. Oh my gosh, I almost put it in the wrong pile. Can't wait to wear it. This too, this is from H&M. It's a sparkly pink glittery top. I love it. I need to go faster. This is the no pile, this is the yes pile. We're making a little bit of progress. This is the yes pile, and this is the no pile. Okay, not the caps, but this is the no pile. So now let's get into my winter big wool jumpers and stuff that I can kind of start getting rid of a little bit. My room is about to be such a mess after this, so let's fast forward this a little bit. so basically the jumpers that I've now packed away are here, and I have a few smaller, thinner jumpers that I'm gonna keep, and I just decided to put them here right next to like my workout wear so they don't take up too much space. So now I have this that's empty, as well as this top drawer so I can fill it up with like bikinis here, maybe my tank tops here. I have a few tank tops that I put away here, but I'll just move them up here, and maybe down there I can put dresses because I don't think I have that many dresses. Girl, it's a whole organization. Send help. Okay, I think I managed all the tank tops, and I tried to hit a little some sort of color coordination. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, we're organized, so that's the most important part. I kind of have way more dresses than I was expecting because I kind of all wanted to put them in here, but this is already kind of full. But I'm gonna try and stuff them all in there either way. I'm gonna click my fingers and everything is gonna be stuffed in this drawer. Are you ready? And the drawer is stuffed. Should I open it to show you? I don't think that would be the greatest idea, but I mean, anyways, I don't really wear dresses too often, so I think when I will need a dress, like it's okay. I can go through that. I also went ahead and did my bikinis at the same time. I like to just stock them like each set together, so they're kind of just hanging out in there. Honestly, closet cleanouts really take no time. If you do them regularly, you kind of have to be quick with your decisions too. I feel like you know what you wear, what you often reach towards, stuff that you don't reach towards. There's always like that one tank top that you're like, I'm just not gonna wear it because the straps always fall off, blah blah blah. That type of things, you don't need that in your closet. So what I have left to organize now is putting my skirts back into my closet, which low-key is gonna be difficult because I don't really have a lot of space to put my skirts down here like I did last year. You know what we can do first? I have a better idea. My closet, ever since I kind of redid it, I don't know if you saw that video, but I'll link it. I kind of really did like a big closet clean out, and I said in that video that I wanted to put this shelf up a notch, just a level, because the sleeves, as you can see, they kind of hang out of this area. It's probably been a year since that video and I haven't even done that yet, so why not do it today? Well, first things first, I need to remove everything. Okay, I'm out of breath. I got this tiny little screwdriver because it's wearing the same outfit as me. Black on the top, gray on the bottom. Let's move this shelf. Okay, do we move it up by one level or two? I think one is enough. Gosh, I need to open a window. Woo! Moment of truth. Let's put the clothes back in and pray that this is the correct length, because I'm not doing that again. I think this is the perfect length. Yay! So much better. Right, for the skirts I decided to grab a few hangers, and I'm just gonna pop them right in here and hope for the best, I guess. I decided to put my skirts down here instead. I prefer having a little space here and more space between like my trousers and my longer skirts I hung up here. but all the mini skirts will be on the bottom, and here I have a little bag where I keep all my belts. I feel like I prefer doing that than really just like stuffing all of my stuff in here. And I think it's a system that just works better for me. After some hard organizing, sweat, and tidying up, the closet is now done. It looks so nice, fresh. I'm so excited to create outfits now, low-key, because like I'm gonna be able to find stuff so much easier. And let me show you what it looks like. So in these first doors, I didn't really change anything. We just have my winter stuff up here. Hoodies kind of stayed the same, but down here I decided to clean up my sunglasses a little bit, and I put my caps right here so I can clearly see them and remember that they exist so that I don't forget to actually wear them sometimes. Here we have the rest of my clothes, but that was already organized. So let's head to the other side right here. And here we now have the sleeves that are looking a lot better than before. Bags are still up there. And then here we have my trousers and now my skirts, which I'm thinking could work for now. I was even thinking maybe, since I do have quite a lot of like hanging space up here, potentially could maybe put some dresses here, at least like the mini dresses, if I really feel like I hate the whole stuffed situation. But overall, I now have an organized closet and some clothes to donate. So that's good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this motivated you to clean out your closet, to do a little spring cleaning. But with that said, I'm gonna leave you guys here and I will see you in another video. Bye!